I have installed the expansion tank, applied or fixed the pipes, both of these plastic ones. This pipe, it goes to the tank filler neck, to the small pipe, and then also this goes to the tank filler neck pipe. So as you can see, guys, I have installed the gas tank, and I didn't take any footage of it because it was really difficult alone here to to install it, to fill it in, but I have managed. I have also installed the fuel pump. I still need to route some lines. This is still loose, and this pump is a little bit loose still. I need to tighten it up, but all in all, everything is good. Yeah, no leaks so far. The pipes here are connected and everything, so yeah. And I have also connected the tank filler neck, as you can see here, that goes all the way up top there, and you have already seen me install the expansion tank. So yeah, all in all is good, and the next things what we will do, we'll go and start preparing the subframe and the control arms for the installation here. As you can see, everything is ready to receive the rear subframe. What we will be doing is we'll be putting the bushings that go inside the frame, and then the frame is, of course, is fixed here. Still need to remove this masking. So yeah, I mean, I think that's what we are going to do next. So let's go ahead and not waste any more time. So good. Quick update, guys. I have received the part from the powder coating from the guy who did the powder coating for me. Already disassembled the calipers, ready for reassemble. As you can see here, I have received a ton of parts, everything for the suspension, brakes. We have sway bar links, we have rebuild kits for the brake calipers, we have some filters, some oil, we have the brand new powder coated rear subframe, have some links. I have already been playing around with putting the bushings in. We also got a set of new bolts and brackets and whatnot, really good. And then we have some strut tower mounts in the back. Yeah, a ton of small parts. So yeah, I think what I will start with slowly is the rear beam, and then we'll move on to the control arms. And what I have done already is pre-built this one, but we will have another one that is bare, so that's what we will film today. So yeah. And by the way, I also received some new parts from BMW. Let me open. New brake lines, a lot of new things, like the little stickers for the MTech 1 spoiler, new toolkit thing, have loads of gaskets, and there's a ton of things. We'll go through all these later as we will be installing these clips and whatnot. Everything is here, so we have majority of the parts. So yeah, let's start with that rear beam and take it from there. These bushings are so tight. As you've seen, guys, I've been struggling here. It's really difficult to put it together. So I tried these clamps did not really work, at least on these bushings. So I got some threaded rod with some washers. So we will clamp it, and hopefully it will go together. So let's try and do that. The threaded rod helped very well. It was quite easy, so yeah, looking good. On the other side, it just protrudes a tiny, well, it doesn't protrude at all. I'm not sure how it should be. I'm not sure if it should go a little bit deeper. I need to Google that. Anyways, but let's also do the other side, and we'll take it from there. Good news, so I have put in this second side. As you can see, that one is already done, so I put in this one, and on the other side you can see I also pushed it a little bit further in so it protrudes. So this is done now. It's really messy. This grease gets everywhere, so yeah, the threaded rod helped me a lot. Let's continue with control arms. Brought myself a control arm here, so unpacked the bushing. So let's do this side. This is I believe is the driver's side. Yeah, left side. I like that the sleeves here are zinced. I guess not the best quality zinc, but all in all is good. So let's press them inside and take it from there. Again, it's really messy here, but I'm making good progress. I have installed this bushing here. The metal shaft is deep inside there. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that. On this side it is flush, and on this side it's in, but it's also true that my bushing kind of is not flush yet, so I'm not sure what to do here. I think I'll leave it as it is and see how it goes with the other bushings. Let's continue with the other side. So guys, this side is done also. I also have done the other side, the passenger side, so we're all good in the trailing arm department. I think next let's try to have a look at the front sway bar links and see. I have Lemforder drop links, and we will try to. I already pressed out the rubber bushings, and let's go ahead and install the polyurethane bushings in those as well, and we'll take it from there. So it's going good. I'm happy. Let's continue. This was very slippery, very uncomfortable to do, but I think I managed. They sit nice and well, I think. I'm quite happy with the result. So yeah, I'm just very greasy. This grease gets everywhere. But yeah, I went ahead and pre-installed this lollipop bushing. Went in quite nicely, I have to say. It wasn't super difficult. I guess the difficult part will be pressing in the control arm into it. But yeah, other than that, is nice and clean. I'm quite happy with everything. And yeah, now let's do together this other one. I was just not sure whether or not I should put the grease between the two pieces, because this is two different strengths, yellow and red. They're different hardness. So in that one I put in the grease, but the yellow part was hard to put in all the way down, because the grease was obviously sitting in between. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Should I put in the grease or no? So yeah, did I do a mistake? I don't know. Okay, well, let's do it. Let me know, guys, if I should put the grease inside here where the yellow piece goes. I'm not really sure. Yeah, other than that, everything went good, so I don't think I can install anything else at this point in time. So stick around for other videos, and soon all of this is going back on the car. I'm quite excited. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you next time. Bye.